Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right now. I used a few Makeup Geek eyeshadows as well as the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Distortion. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. So obviously my eyebrows are already done. I will leave a list of all the products that I use in the description box. I'm going to prime my lids with a little shadow insurance. To set that in place, I'm going to use Makeup Geek Peaches and Cream. I'm using the Mani palette, but this is a shadow that you can get separately. Now I'm taking Makeup Geek's Cocoa Bear and I'm going to blend this into my crease using a slightly pinched blending brush. So here's something interesting. I hadn't noticed that I have hooded eyelids. So I'm going to try to blend the eyeshadows a little bit higher than usual. Is that weird? Do eyes, well, I mean, I know eyes get hooded with age, but I don't want to think I'm old. As you can see, I really built up the Cocoa Bear color. I'm not going to use too many shadows, just a few. Now I'm taking Envy by Makeup Geek and I'm going to pack this on the lid. We're going to actually blend this color into the crease by taking Cocoa Bear again. So I'm just blending the two colors together. I'm going back and forth with Envy and Cocoa Bear because some of it may have blended away. Now I'm going into Peaches and Cream again and I'm going to blend out the edges of the eyeshadow. To highlight the brow bone, I'm taking a little bit of MAC Nylon eyeshadow. If you have the Mani palette, you can just use Artemis, which is the first one in the palette. So really you can control how dramatic you want this look to be by adding more green or less green because that is the dark shade. Now onto the glitter. I'm using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Distortion. You can really use any glitter you want. This just so happens to be the one that I have. So the way you're going to do this is you're going to look down and pat this into the lid. You don't want to swipe because then you would swipe away the green eyeshadow. So you don't have to pack on a million coats because you still want to see the green eyeshadow underneath. You want to make sure you don't look up while you're doing this. Wait for it to dry before you look up because it will transfer. It is wet. I'm trying to take it a little bit higher up on the lid, but diffusing out the glitters. So now we're moving on to liner. I'm going to use the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I just want to do a thin line close to the lashes because we're going to use falsies today. For lashes, I'm using the Lash XO Venus Vibe lashes. I got these on Amazon the other day. I'm excited to try these. I'm gonna pop these on. I'll be right back. These lashes are so bomb. I love them. They were really easy to apply and the band is thin, so I appreciate that. To blend in the falsies with my own, I'm gonna use a little bit of mascara. This is the Lash Trifecta by Milani. To prime my skin, I'm gonna use the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This is a glowy primer. For foundation, I was thinking of using the Makeup Forever HD foundation, but when I got matched for this, it was a little too light for me. This is the color 117, but just to make sure, I'm gonna mix it in with a little bit of my Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Nude. I am having a lot of breakouts. This weather is not being kind to me. And I'm using my Eco Tool sponge to blend it out. For concealer, I'm going to use my favorite combo at the moment. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Finish Concealer. I mixed the shades, is this light? Hold on. Light Ivory and Light Medium Beige. To set everything in place, I'm using the Kat Von D Lock It Translucent Powder. For contour, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I know I use this bronzer in a lot of my videos, but it's one of my favorites And I don't have a giant collection of contour powders at the moment. To bronze, I'm using my current favorite, Milani Dolce. I'm gonna try highlighting first today and then adding blush. I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Highlight in Pearl. High points with my finger. And now I'm blending it in with a brush. Cupid's bow. For blush, another one of my Milani favorites. This is Rose d'Oro. It has gold laced through the blush. It is just so pretty. Wow, it really does change up that highlight. Got you guys zoomed in for the lower lash line. We are going to use the same colors that we used on the lid, but I'm going to start with the color Envy with a very small detail brush. To smoke it out some, I'm going to use Cocoa Bear. Now I'm going to take the glitter liner once more and I'm going to pop a little bit right in the center of the lower lash line. It really opens up your eyes. Pop a little bit of mascara on your lower lashes. I know we got a lot of reflectiveness going on with the glitter, but I feel a little weird without something in my inner corner. So I'm gonna pop a little bit of Nylon eyeshadow. For lips, you can really wear what you're comfortable with. I want something a little bit more muted, so I'm using the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. I think this is the color Bear With Me. The sticker came off, not quite sure, but I will look it up for you. To finish off the look, I'm using the City Color Primer Spray to set everything in place. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I tried it out before filming, but it wasn't as dramatic as I'm looking at it right now, and I am loving it. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did filming it. It was so much fun. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already, and have a Merry Christmas. Bye.